I'm John Franklin. I'm with Central Utah Water Conservancy District, and this is the Don A. Christiansen Regional Water Treatment Plant. This is our handiwork. This is our control center. Behind the desk are several screens as well as human-machine interfaces that go to all of our computers, which is why Tech Connect, and we have a relationship of being able to maintain the place. We have to be able to maintain the PLCs or the programmable logic controllers that control all of these buildings. It is a very complex system that cannot fail. And that's why we have things like UPSs and backup generators. So this power unit is enough to produce enough power to maintain all of our SCADA system, HMIs, till that time that our generators can resupply energy. Like I said, we're 24/7. That means every minute of every day, forever. It is that important to have. In this facility, we bring the oxygen to these generators, and then we hit it with, I call it lightning in a bottle. Hit it with about 5,000 volts, and it converts oxygen to O3, which is ozone. Ozone is then injected into a stream of water, and it's the first purification that the water sees. So following the train of water, we come to this building here, which is where we inject our coagulants. We use the coagulants to pull any of the particles, suspended particles in the water out, and that's how it works. There are 5 bays. Each one of them is stepping down in acceleration rate. So there's big mixers, like food mixers that you would have at home, and the idea is that you're getting a clean mixing. So there's enough G-forces that we know by the time they reach to the back end, all particles will have had the opportunity to collect on the other particles. And if you look down in here, see in the water, see the individual pinpoint flock? That's ferric hydroxide being held together with the polymer that we add as well. And they are going around and picking up as much of the particles as they can hit. Comes to these plates, and they're at a particular angle so that all the particles, they will collect to the point where they get heavy enough and drop out and hit the floor of these basins, which is about 16 feet down. The clarified water seems very clean at this point, but then we have one more process. We add a little bit of chlorine to it afterwards to maintain that chlorine residual through the plant, and then it enters our filters. But I'm following the train of the water as we go. Science is consistent everywhere.